Boost your English, extracting details from lectures and presentations. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to learn an important skill in English comprehension, extracting specific details from lectures and presentations. By the end of this video, you'll have learned techniques to pick out important information when listening to spoken English in formal contexts. To extract specific details effectively, you first need to understand the context. Listening for the main idea will give you a general understanding of what is being discussed. This sets the stage for recognizing relevant details later on. Keywords are words that are significant to the main idea or topic. They can be names, dates, numbers, specialized vocabulary, or words that are stressed or repeated. Tuning your ear to keywords can help you pick up on the specific details you're listening for. The speaker's tone and emphasis can provide hints about which information is important. Listen for changes in volume, speed, and pitch. Also, note the words or phrases that are emphasized. They're often the ones containing the specific details you need to remember. Active listening involves full concentration, understanding, responding, and remembering what is being said. As you listen, try to visualize or mentally summarize the information. This not only helps you remember details, but it also keeps you engaged in the listening process. Taking notes is a valuable strategy to help remember specific details from a lecture or presentation. Don't try to write down everything. Focus on jotting down keywords, main ideas, and specific details like names, numbers, or dates. That's all for today, folks. We hope these strategies for extracting specific details from lectures and presentations will boost your English listening skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, go out there and listen to as many English lectures and presentations as you can. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.